Hi guys, Lens here. So in this video, if you're having a black screen or a non-responsive screen where the screen is just not touching, then I want to tell you one thing you can do to fix this issue. If it happened that your phone got dropped and then you have a black screen, then you can just massage the back of the phone just in case the ribbon might be a bit disconnected. But however, most of the time that is not the case. Most of the time it's just a firmware glitch, or it can just be a minor issue that happens with Samsung phones at some point. So the main way of fixing this issue, guys, is to hold the volume down, power button, and do a force restart. You can see right away the phone turns on and the force restart did the trick. We can see that we're seeing the logo showing there. So if you have a black screen, if you have a non-responsive screen, you can see as well that the screen is touching as well. So guys, if you're still having those type of issue, black screen, non-responsive screen, sometimes it does not work the first time around, but you can also keep trying. You can hit the volume down, the power button, and seek to force restart your phone. So if it is a non-responsive screen where your phone is not touching, you can try it again. Hold the volume down and the power button and restart the device. If it happens that for some reason you're not seeing anything on your phone, I suggest that you use a wireless charger and try charging your device. If you have not seen that your phone lights up, you can use a Type-C charger, and you want to do the same thing over. Volume down, power button while the charger is plugged in. So guys, I hope that this was helpful. If it was, you can let me know in the comment section below. Guys, my name is Lens. If you're new to my channel, do like, share, and subscribe.